And there's another important update that we are getting for our viewers from Jammu and Kashmir. After the announcement of election dates, first meeting of BJP leaders is going to take place at BJP headquarters in Jammu today. That's the update that we have. BJP election in charge for J&K, Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy, BJP's J&K in charge Tarun Chugh, senior BJP leader Dr. Jitendra Singh and J&K BJP President Ravinder Raina and other senior leaders including Dr. Nirmal Singh and Kavinder Gupta are going to participate in this very, very crucial meeting. The focus is going to be on the probable candidates for the upcoming elections. Let's go across to Pradeep Datta joining us for more on this. Pradeep, important update there. Now the focus is going to be who will be the key candidates for the political parties, and BJP is already starting the exercise.
Yes, you're absolutely right. It's going to be a very important meeting. As you rightly said, G. Krishna Reddy, MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh, Ravinder Raina, others will be present. And during this meeting, they are going to decide about the probable candidates. What we have been told by the sources that this time the focus will be on new faces and young faces because some of the old faces will be dropped. That's what actually had been discussed because for the last 2-3 days, Ravinder Raina as well as Sunil Sharma, senior BJP leader, they were camping in Delhi and they had meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah as well as Party President J.P. Nadda. And that meeting, this was discussed that they have to look into these aspects. And second thing will be they will be devising about the campaign strategy. And what we have been told that all the senior leaders, including Prime Minister, will be coming for campaigning in all the for Jammu and Kashmir, and they are going to contest in all the 90 seats, which include 47 in Kashmir Valley and 43 in Jammu region.
Thank you, Pradeep, for the moment for joining us with those updates. We have a reaction coming in from Ravinder Raina as well. Let's listen in.
आने वाले दिनों में जल्द पार्टी के जो प्रत्याशी हैं, एक प्रोसेस जो है आपसी कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ बैठ के चिंतन मंथन करने के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमेटी की मीटिंग में इसका निर्णय लिया जाएगा। लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक टीम की तरह चुनाव लड़ती है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का हर एक कार्यकर्ता एक परिवार की तरह हमेशा काम करता है। मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेंगे और जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता की सपोर्ट से शानदार जीत होगी भारतीय जनता